Oh, here we are at Sebastian Inlet. We're going to walk around and take a look at this place. I haven't been here in a decade. So, see what's happening, what changed, what I noticed that changed. So come along with me. Sebastian Inlet. Well, Sebastian Inlet is pretty notorious for their wicked entrance into the rivers from the ocean. Can be very, very rough. So today it looks like it's pretty quiet with the boat traffic. We're gonna walk over here and see what the water looks like. There off to the left is the Atlantic Ocean. And this bridge here that we're gonna look at in a second is the Sebastian Inlet State Park Bridge on US A1A, the Ocean Beach Road. And oh yeah, water's moving pretty quick out of here. Must be low tide and the river is just dumping into the ocean. Pretty interesting looking. Well, pretty nice looking day. Some clouds out there. Sun shining. It's not too hot, not too humid. So it was a good day. Come down here and check out Sebastian Inlet State Park. So we're gonna just walk around here and have a look. There's a little hot dog stand over there. I might come over here and get a hot dog for lunch. I don't know yet. Well, just play it by ear at this point. Some pretty big boulders down here. This one right here is coquina rock, which is just a clay made out of millions of microscopic little shells. It's pretty cool. This is at the bottom of Brevard County. When you cross this bridge, you enter into another county. This is the southernmost point of Brevard County. Is this state park here. It's a nice scenic road for a drive. There's lots of interesting things to look at, stop and experience. But it's been a long time since I've been down here. I thought I'd come down for y'all and show you around, so I hope you enjoy this video. This is about an hour ride from my house, but it's a nice day. Now up here you can hardly see it in the GoPro, but there's a walkway that goes all the way out to the middle of that, underneath that bridge. Last time I was here I could walk out on it and you get a really good look at the water going out. But it looks like they've closed it up, so you can't get out there. So we're gonna go the other way. We'll go out here and see what's going on out here. It is a nice day. Well, yeah, we walked east to the beach. It's a nice beach. Now, this is called the Gold Coast. In 1715, a Spanish fleet of treasure ships was caught in a hurricane and they all sank right off of this beach. About 5 miles of this beach. And they've been finding gold and silver coins and gold bars and even emeralds. Emeralds. They had everything on these ships when they went down, and a lot of the sailors survived. They were close enough to shore to swim to shore, and right around here is where they camped. And so they waited for rescue, and the Spanish actually sent rescue ships to go get these sailors, and they hired the locals to dive for the treasures to try to get as much gold and silver from these sunken ships. They're only sitting in about 20 feet of water. So these Indian men would go out there and dive down and pick up put all the stuff in a basket. But anyway, they recovered a lot of gold, but there was still tons of it left. And underneath my feet, about 20 feet and 10 feet, is black sand. That's all the heavy sands with metals and such in it. And the gold has settled down to the black sand. Being heavy, it works its way through the centuries and all the waves and such. Got through the soft sand and down to the hard sand. But when a hurricane comes through here, the sand is all washed out to sea. And there are places where the black sand is seen, and you can find coins. Now, if you're ever on the beach in Florida in this area and you see something that looks like a coral rock, turn it over, because coral will grow on silver coins. It won't grow on gold coins, but it will grow on silver coins. So if you see a round object on the bottom of a flat side of a piece of coral rock, investigate. You might have a silver doubloon there, worth hundreds of dollars, maybe even thousands of dollars. So it's pretty cool. One of these days I'm going to buy a metal detector, a good one, come down here and spend a few days trying to figure out if I can find some money. That'd be fun. So anyway, we're going to walk down here, get close to the water, and check out the boats that are sitting out there. These old boys off to the side here are rigging up their fishing poles. They're fixing to go fishing. Yeah, nice looking waves out there. It's pretty calm ocean today. Waves are breaking real close to shore. It's a nice quiet beach. Even though it's a state park and a campground, lots of people will hang out at the swimming area underneath the bridge instead of coming out here to the ocean. It's closer to the camper, and it's only about chest deep. Safe for the kids. So, yeah, looking out there. And you got some boats sitting out here in the water. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Little birds running along the sand there, trying to find little bitty bugs to eat and such. Nice quiet day. Sit down here with a book. Listen to the waves roll in, read your book, take a nap, get a tan. Yep, sounds like a nice relaxing day to me. Alright, well, let's walk up out of here. Hey, surf dogs. There's the swimming area by the campgrounds. Lunch, and this is what I'm having for lunch. Chili dog with onions and a Coke. $10, pretty good price. Let's see what it tastes like. Well, I took my first bite. It was tasty. These are good hot dogs. The chili sauce is good, the onions are fresh, the bun is fresh. Yeah, so if you're ever down here at Sebastian Inlet and you're underneath the bridge, stop over at Surf Dogs. Get yourself a hot dog and a Coke for $10. It fills the void. Yep. So anyway, I'm going to finish my lunch I'll let you all sit here and look at the swimmers, and I'll be right back. Enjoy the view. Yeah, there's not too many people out there. Some. Anyway, I'm all done with my hot dog. It was very tasty. Glad I stopped here and had lunch. Well, thanks for coming with me on this little adventure that I've had here with you to Sebastian Inlet State Park. My name is Coco Gumpy. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a like if you enjoyed the video. And I'll see you on the next episode. Y'all have a great day. Gumpy is out.